meaning you can enjoy two different opportunities at the same time. Example: by working part-time and looking after her kids 2 days a week, she managed to get the best of both worlds. Two, speak of the devil. Meaning, the person you're just talking about actually appears at that moment. Example: hi Tom, speak of the devil, I was just telling Sarah about your new car. Three, see eye to eye. Meaning, agreeing with someone. Example: they finally saw eye to eye on the business deal. Four, once in a blue moon. Meaning, an event that happens infrequently. Example: I only go to the cinema once in a blue moon. Five, when pigs fly. Meaning, something that will never happen. Example: when pigs fly, she'll tidy up her room. Six, to cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, something is very expensive. Example: fuel these days costs an arm and a leg. Seven, a piece of cake. Meaning, something is very easy. Example: the English test was a piece of cake. 8. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to accidentally reveal a secret. Example: I let the cat out of the bag about their wedding plans. 9. To feel under the weather. Meaning, to not feel well. Example: I'm really feeling under the weather. Today, I have a terrible cold. 10. To kill two birds with one stone. Meaning: to solve two problems at once. By taking my dad on holiday, I killed two birds with one stone. I got to go away, but also spend time with him. To cut corners. Meaning: to do something badly or cheaply. Example: they really cut corners when they built this bathroom. The shower is leaking. To add insult to injury. Meaning: to make a situation worse. Example: to add insult to injury, the car drove off without stopping after knocking me off my bike. You can't judge a book by its cover. Meaning: to not judge someone or something based solely on appearance. Example: I thought this no-brand bread would be horrible. Turns out you can't judge a book by its cover. Break a leg. Meaning: good luck. Often said to actors before they go on stage. Example: break a leg, Sam. I'm sure your performance will be great. To hit the nail on the head. Meaning: to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example: he hit the nail on the head when he said, this company needs more HR support. That's all for now. See you next time.